So today I'll be showing you how to open native SolidWorks files within Creo Parametric 1.0 MO10. And first thing I'm going to show you is that we are currently working without the ability to open up the SolidWorks files natively. You can see this by the fact that if you go to your View menu down here, you actually only have the Parasolid right there and not the actual SolidWorks file extensions. Please be aware that this only works with the 32-bit version of Creo 1.0. If you're running a 64-bit operating system, you may have to manually find the 32-bit installer. If you go to your unzipped installation directory and go to the DSRC file, it will be under the i486NT. And underneath the OBJ folder location. This will install the 32-bit version of Creo 1.0. There you are. Once you have the 32-bit version of Creo installed, you then need to go get the SolidWorks Explorer, which is a free download from solidworks.com. The easiest way to find where to download this from is obviously to Google SolidWorks Explorer. Once you do this, you'll be directed to the first non-advertised link. Will be underneath free CAD software and downloads from SolidWorks. Once you go to this website here, you'll have to scroll down the page and look for SolidWorks Explorer. Right down here you'll find a link, download SolidWorks Explorer free. By selecting that hyperlink, it'll bring you over to the downloads page. Selecting the version, you'll select 2012, and you'll see over here free CAD tools. This will not require you to log in, and you can then go ahead and grab SolidWorks Explorer right here for Windows XP Vista and Windows 7 32-bit from this menu. Go ahead and select it to download it. Agree to the license agreement. And go ahead and download the file. Go ahead and save this to your desktop or wherever you'd like to save it. Now once the software is finished downloading, you'll go ahead and unzip the self-extracting executable there. Just go ahead and unzip to whatever default location it's going to. And then when it's done, it will go ahead and open up the setup and run you through that. Now that the files are unzipped successfully, we'll go ahead and run the executable for installation. It's a very basic installation. Follow all the default prompts. Don't have to select anything particularly special here. And now we'll walk you through the basic installation. Select Next. We are just going to go ahead and do the SolidWorks Explorer. We don't need to install the Worker PDM add-in at all. Just the basic features there. Hit Next. Okay. Hit Install. Now once the SolidWorks Explorer installation is finished, You'll see a couple new folders underneath your program files, but one in particular you want to look at is going to be underneath Program Files, Common Files, SolidWorks Shared. If you're running a 64-bit system, this will be under Program Files x86. And the DLL you want to be looking for is this SolidWorks Document Manager.dll. This is the DLL that will allow you to open up the SolidWorks files themselves. So now I'm going to go ahead and launch Creo. Now that we have SolidWorks Explorer installed, you can see when we go to the Open menu from within Creo Parametric, we now have the options for SolidWorks Assemblies and SolidWorks Parts. Now when I selected SolidWorks Assembly over here in the filter, you can see that I get SolidWorks Assemblies showing up right in my File Open window. And I can go ahead and select one of them, which I'm going to select this Nokia 6500 here. And when I do that, it will actually open up natively within Creo Parametric. It will actually ask me what type of import it wants to do. Automatic geometry or facet, generate the log file, and a name. I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything to the default, allow it to import the SolidWorks assembly. Now we actually have the SolidWorks assembly open, and you can see that not only did it import the assemblies, but also some of the features. And these are going to be editable by the Creo Flexible Modeling extension. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video, and with any further questions, please contact Enser at enser.com. Thank you.